that he set Osai entertainer first, he tried as much as possible to also protect a couple of names being near the other. Baku PA, and information me PA say Black Sherif. I'm contacting and say on my party in the park or so by
500 million.
500 billion. 50,000 pound. That is like 4.9 497 something thousand. That's 4 billion. A little bit close to 5 billion. Titisikano.
Oh, is that so? Because there are a lot of are you flying out? The initial thing is I've seen an article that says because he was already there in the UK, they offered him
10,000 pounds.
That is the first one that came out as against the request because it's outrageous. It was a penny. Later, and he said there is a proper year about I said because it's already there. 10,000 Ghana cedi equivalence to
10,000 Ghana cedis
equivalence.
Oh, there be.
Okay.
10,000 pounds.
So that was the first one that came out, right?
Yeah. 10,000 pounds.
10,000 pounds. As far as I know, the first one was, which is 97,786 Ghana cedis. 97,000. 10,000 pounds.
This is what they offered him.
Yeah.
They offered him 10,000 pounds.
Proposed amount, and was no.
Maybe already one on Facebook.
Put some respect on my name. Imagine 50,000, which is 489,000 Ghana cedis, which is almost 5 billion.
No, then this whole thing is miscommunicated because let me also pull a different angle to it. Because it's confusing. How can Black Sherif be talking about 5 billion?
Okay. Are you saying he doesn't deserve it?
But at least no. You see, there's.
Are you saying so he doesn't deserve it?
He doesn't deserve it. But Penny, see.
Honestly, straight.
Not even you see
how?
Oh, Penny.
Oh well, yeah. Fly or two. Hey, okay, you are already there. Even if you are already there, cry. Black Sherif as a brand, a grew. Sa level na. One massive following na. Yeah, then a Bosho Mass Stadium yama, and I say a pulley that much crowd. Obeje 5 billion for one show.
My Mimbusa listeners, join the conversation on Twitter. Use the hashtag The Big Breakfast. Let us know who feels Black Sherif overpriced, and I say he deserves that 5 billion for that show. 50,000 pound. And I saw I'm on for the proposal 10,000 pound. How much is a pound right now? Let me do a quick conversion to 10,000.
Approximately 9 cedis cry.
9 cedis cry. Now we're looking at it's like 90,000.
Close to $1 billion. I was a penny.
10,000.
Black Sherif is a bird. He should not claim or a butterfly. Man, didn't claim bird this year. That was a new maybe. When your boy is not fair. We all in for the kid. He's the coolest kid right now and all that. But I mean, see the win-win situation. You have a diaspora fans who've not performed to before. What I say, Ghana Parking the Park, yes, an established brand. Even for them to propose an amount they didn't propose to Shatawale, alone shows say Charlie, they respect your brand. How do you talk about 5 billion over here? I mean,
Shatta being Shatta, we know how he doesn't play with his money and his charges. He put aside.
There are different styles to this story. You know, what they in front of one by one.
The Manum Prato.
Tofega Ucho is saying it's an emphatic no, he doesn't deserve that, but definitely a good artist. Margarito Reshishiman is saying he's not cry. What about Kensak? Openyu Kuficha is saying he's too young to request for such money. Ade Ura Kwesi is saying why would be Apu be him black.
You're a darling
what?
Boy.
Mano is saying Blacko didn't deserve such amount of money for the show. Hey, Ade Yabacha is saying Slim, he doesn't deserve Slim, he doesn't deserve I don't know if it's a question. Patasi DJ Khalid is saying it's too much. Ade Legendary King is also joining us saying if Blacko is taking this, then Sakwe also Angel saying Boama Silent is saying hey killer Blacko Debbie. Join the conversation on Twitter. Use the hashtag The Big Breakfast at DJ Slimmin. Na Misumeka would tweet or say or J a little bit close to I think even less than 10,000 Ghana cedis, close to 5 billion.
Why
killer don't lie when I say I did it. Next time the cash come away, I still have family.
No.
Under 1 minute.
It should not be carried away by this empire connect and why. See, the annual how you solidify your brand is touching base with people or more encounter. It's a fine opportunity. Fine if you say maybe I'm more frail say what bad they be passing through but they really respected your brand, decided to pay you even above the headline artist. They respected your brand. 2, and baby you beg to even mount a 20K stage. Say yes, say yeah. Now you create a perception out there and to promote a beg. Remember for Black Sherif there and then come in more shatter stone boy preko.
Now let me put this information out there. I know say the case of the message and the messenger situation, and somebody like me who has been on Black Sherif's case for a very long time and still not stopping. I just took a break. I'm back. Day number 4. Sherif in general, there's this thing going on. I wanna dream. Now, me cannot emphatically. Mesa say I may use me 10 beer. Me can say, I say this on authority. I say this on authority. No. Mesa me can say I say this on authority. You realize that he was built to perform. You realize that he was built to perform in Kumasi. He was built to perform in Kumasi sometime, and when show up, I think it was two occasions. Even my reserve night, he was supposed to be on, and he did not show up. Mamin kasa same way na man fontiasi. I think ever since Oni Bena Boy nya encounter, he had a vision or a plan of being more or less like a world artist. He said, yeah, Bena Boy, so he cared less about events across Ghana and the Ghanaian community. That has been proven as a fact. Now, we and actually imagine sad so. Because management in Chima, Motrin, Abrantiana, Manuko Drew Airport, also a Johnny Drew alcohol. Was it Kumasi shows the homo?
Former management, the Casas.
Former management. It's a bit my bitterness, Kakra. As like Abia or Munini separate and maybe more Casa same way. I day, Edia Gun Hufi. What you say?
Okay.
Mefanisa. Till another issue popping up about one event organizer. I will come her. I will try so all build that same guy for another show. Her charges are more the tone so now it's either they will tell you face say Kumasi show or mumma and I say they overcharge. I never knew say a track could do say Ghana show crown. Say God, if you are charging, because from the message, the tweets that I'm reading over here, everybody's saying it's too much. A man focus say it's too much for him to charge that. And when I came out here, so say, hey, because even with that one, I had this information way back. But this is my can was men can was him go maybe I mean when say same be what as on your party on now energy. If you bet my can say be there so I say bitterness visa. But Atosumienu, and this is like the third one Ababe drew public domain.
Okay. It also makes me want to ask certain questions from the former management. The best me busa you quite friendly. The former manager Snap. There were allegations why Black Sherif was not seen on many stages.
Yeah.
And one of the information I gathered from inside sources said the former management were also the reason why he was not featuring on many stages.
Yes.
Because they have invested so much in the board. And so they were also quoting outrageous prices for his shows.
Yeah.
And so promoters were pulling out.
Former management.
Yes, which is
and
Snap.
I think
allegations about
okay. I think boom scribe before
There were many industry people who attest to the fact that say they called Black Sherif for
so I'm friend.
And the prices
time I know money
I know that mean him who at that time said not rift number and that's a name buyer because I don't
no name buy the information that I have. I called one of the inside guys and he was saying the same thing.
Say Snap C administration.
Yeah. Say even if they offer 30,000 as at that time no more bought 50,000.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
As I could the travel and then all these issues ever start you.
Oh, okay.
Yes. One of the issues are
said they also had with
I have sat with 5 people. Charlie, Blacko, they say the scanner oko to know. Yeah. And it's not even about Blacko. What they told me say, because the sources are sometimes they tell no or Moses snapping so allergies or Mofan Chikobo shows and say some of the shows I was told Blacko wanted to play, but because of those outrageous charges, you know, Madonna Monso who said we also need this platform. And so these charges preventing them from making shows. No, I catch it. We're passing through maybe another kakra, but they also need the platform. So sadly, until Snap C Babek let's say as at the time he was quoting those prices, then you're on any issue now bad there. That's fine because they will come and talk plainly. And the management as to who was in charge.
Actually was in charge. I don't know.
Until Black was at tag where Daniswa, but we know. I'm a man who say this time around he has an organized management.
Snap C is not involved.
It's not involved.
But for more charging 50,000.
So and also some story needs to said then.
Snap and come but almost
another thing is as artist.
Let me read this tweet. Bobali make a serious input to this one. Also, Slim. I think what Black Sherif did was fair. It's about time artists start raising their standards to put more value on our artists here in Ghana.
Fraud.
I in fact. That statement were very, very good because I believe me Pisca, and so I believe say is the right call. However, yes, I'm we show why the one you know.
Aswa.
We show one you know. I believe placing value and yet
monetary all the time
and yet monetary
fair. What is
monetary stages so
and now make us have same way say mulam sro about we now said the bear must be complete especially me ya tag me say anti Black Sherif of which I don't really care anti Black of which I don't really care. I'll still play his songs. I'm saying this say certain stages be what ujina so as an artist a bow career. As a matter of fact, I was even to be on those stages because a bit amplified the Enra Mekau has a Ghana Party in the Park is one of those platforms. We can't talk about Ghana shows a Koso. I mean outside Ghana, a popular than Ghana Party in the Park with UK. You can't. That is the gospel truth. And my conversation with Mensa was like, my brother, who you're entertainer before being an organizer or a business guy. So you should be on the lookout more for these artists. So Slim, let me tell you the gospel truth. When these artists came to UK last year, she said, bong bell so near the adeno. And yet bong bell so na koto here. Ochemu say hotels cry all London hotels I've never been to London before. Ebi afi na bia odonfo beka se memra ho a meko na afi makohwe mani so ade nchebe to
abodu se kakra ya kai utini hunyi kakra ka beshi cause
ijana ekuto so no ene mo twa esuro ne ba na mabem so o chem se niema wo ho ne yenkete but however he also oye the best to put these boys on like the team Westwood link up that he does for the boys on bar making sure some call Westwood or BBC or the Ombeko. And I think Amrado made mention of that. Say Mensa Efre Westwood
and so now advocating for no.
Yes.
Say beyond the show
what are you doing? And he told me confidently said Jack plugins and there are others that he can't even talk about unless the artists decide to talk about. And I was like then cool. But sometimes you also need to let the media know some of the things that you are doing for these boys. Said asem ne ba yen kan wu so because Sata